How to use. Move circle-wise on abdomen with 2 hands and apply essential oil to it. Repeat 3 times. Rub belly back and forth with 2 hands, doing it alternately. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Rub the periphery of belly button with 2 hands combined, moving in small circles. Repeat 16 times. Rub the periphery of belly button with 2 hands combined, moving in big circles. Repeat 16 times. Push from one side of waist to belly button with 2 hands, doing it alternately. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Do the same on the other side. Push ascending colon upwards and transverse colon crossly, and descending colon downwards with 2 palms, doing it alternately to expel the dried and hardened feces and toxin from intestinal tract. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Wipe clean. EMS. Apply the gel evenly on the patches. Fix the patch on the rectus abdominis and external abdominal muscles with straps. Time, 30 minutes. Mode selection, F1, suitable for chest, F2, for muscle tightening, F3, suitable for fat loss, F4, suitable for muscle relaxation, massage, auto, tap it. The light is on for F1 to 4 cycle mode. Switch a mode every 10 minutes. The speed of energy output, S, M, F. It is recommended to slowly adjust from S and switch after adapting. When elected auto mode, SMF cycle switch, adjust the button corresponding to the energy of the patch. Rotate to the far left for off. Rotate to the right to increase the energy. It is recommended to slowly adjust the energy from the lowest energy to the highest energy that the customer can withstand. After the time is over, the instrument will automatically pause or adjust the corresponding button to close. Treatment recommendations: 2 to 3 times a week, 12 times. Course of treatment. Remarks: abdomen and arm can be used together. Remove the patch and strap. Wipe clean. Apply body slimming cream evenly on the arms. Push the arms to the armpits alternately with the palms of both hands 3 times. Push the 3 meridians on the inner side of the arms to the armpits alternately 3 times. Rub the inner side of the arms with your kneeling fingers back and forth 5 to 8 times. Lay the arm flat and manipulate the outer side of the arm. Push the arm with both palms alternately 3 times. Push the 3 meridians on the outer side of the arm with the tiger's mouth of both hands 3 times. Kneeling fingers and rub the outer side of the arm back and forth 5 to 8 times. Wipe clean. Secure the patches to the biceps and triceps muscles of the arms with straps. Attach the white acupoint patches to the elbow 3 fingers below the elbow. Adjustment parameters. Tap the Start, Pause button. Treatment recommendation 2 times a week, 12 times. Course of treatment. After the time is over, remove the patch and strap. Wipe clean. Apply body slimming cream with both hands from the knee to the base of the thigh, 3 times. Push the thumbs alternately from the knees to the thighs, first in the center, then on the left and right sides, 3 times. Push the fingers of the knees of both hands from the knees to the thighs, first in the center, then on the left and right sides, 3 times. Push the root of the palm of both hands from the knee to the root of the thigh, first the center, then the left and right sides, 3 times. Wipe clean. Massage the other leg in the same way. Attach the white acupoint patches to the elbow 3 fingers below the elbow. Attach the white acupoint patch and stick it 4 fingers below the knee. Adjustment parameters. After the time is over, remove the patch and strap. Wipe clean. Apply massage oil or cream evenly with both hands starting from the calves over the entire back leg 3 times. Push the thumbs of both hands alternately from bottom to top to the base of the thighs, first in the center, then on the left and right sides 3 times. Push the knee fingers of both hands from bottom to top to the base of the thighs, first in the center, then on the left and right sides 3 times. Push the root of the palm of both hands from the bottom to the top to the root of the thighs, first in the center, then on the left and right sides 3 times. Rub your calves. Wipe clean. Massage the other side of the leg in the same way. Adjustment parameters. Treatment recommendation 2 times a week, 12 times. Course of treatment. After the time is over, remove the patch and strap. Wipe clean. Oiled back. Rub the oil 3 times to soothe the back. Push due meridian, due, and bladder meridian, BL, alternately with 2 hands, repeat 3 times. Push due meridian, due, and bladder meridian, BL, directly with 2 hands, repeat 3 times. To start with the Jui, pushing due meridian and bladder meridian with the base of 2 palms, doing it by turns and lifting from the side of waist till it passes under the armpit. Do it in a left-right order. Repeat 3 times. To start from the back of neck, pushing Da Ben Jin with kneeling fists of both hands. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Push from the back of neck to waist with kneeling fists of both hands. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Stroke Da Ben Jin with the V-shaped webbed area between thumb and index finger of one hand. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Push your shoulder blades alternately with both hands. Push with the root of your palm to the side of your waist, 5 to 8 times. Connect the white acupoint stickers and stick them in the middle of the big border. Secure the patches to the waist and back with straps. Adjustment parameters. Treatment recommendation: 2 to 3 times a week, 12 times. Course of treatment. After the time is over, remove the patch and strap. Wipe clean. Apply massage oil evenly on the chest. Operator stands at the side of the client. Palm of the hand from the bottom to the top of the breasts in a circular soothing motion, 5 to 8 times. Hold the breasts with one hand, and with the fingers of the other hand, make circles on the breasts 15 to 20 times. Wipe clean. EMS breast patch. Remove the 2 pairs of patches and connect the connector of one cable to the connector of one patch. Apply the gel evenly on the breast patches. I adjust the buckle to the size of the chest. Adjustment parameters. After the end of time, remove the patch, wipe clean. Cleaning of patches, wipe off the gel and spray with alcohol.